Students, in our previous class we have completed chapter 8 and I hope all of you understood the concept of chapter 8 and also the sums. Today I am going to start a new chapter, that is some application of trigonometry. This chapter is also from trigonometry. In this chapter, means in the previous chapter you have studied about trigonometric ratios, yes or no? Ratios, then some trigonometric ratios of specific angles, then ratios of complementary angles and trigonometric identities. So in this chapter you will study about some ways in which trigonometry is used in the life around you, means in our surrounding, how we can use trigonometry. Especially trigonometry is used to find out the height and distance. Okay, so how to find out the height and distance? See, this is a normal figure I have drawn here. See, normal figure means suppose this is a tower. Just consider this is the tower. Sorry, this is tower. Okay, and this is your height. Suppose this is your eye, means eye of the observer. Then when you want to see a object which is on the top of this tower, then you have to raise your head, yes or no? That means when you see this object which is on the top of the tower, the angle formed is called angle of elevation. For this you can see this is your eyes line of sight and this is angle of elevation, and this is your height and this is your eye. Okay, now I'll give you clear concept of this. Suppose this is your eye, this is your height. Okay, and understood? And this is the object. Then whenever angle form, you need a horizontal level, yes or no? So this is the horizontal level, means angle form here. This is the horizontal level and this is the line of sight. Understood? And this angle is called angle of elevation. I have all of you understood? This is a horizontal level, because you need a horizontal level to form angle. Then this is eye, and this angle of elevation, and this is eyesight if the object is here. The angle of elevation of the point viewed if the angle formed by the line of sight with the horizontal level, line of sight with the horizontal level. This angle is angle of elevation, horizontal level. When the point being viewed is above the horizontal level, and it is, see, the angle is what? Whenever you see this point is what? Being viewed above the horizontal level. That is the case when we raise our head to look at the object. When we raise our head to look at the object, it is angle of elevation. Next, in this case, you see, suppose this is a tower. Now you are on the tower. You are on the top of the tower here. Suppose you are here, and the object is here. Then you have to lower down your head or not. That means here, if eye is this, if this is your eye, then this will be the horizontal level, and this line will be the line of sight, and this angle is what? Angle of depression. That is written. The angle of depression of a object, of a point on the object being viewed, is the angle formed by the line of sight with the horizontal when the point is below the horizontal level. Means angle of elevation is what? What? Just now we have learned point with viewed above the horizontal level, and angle of depression is below the horizontal level. See, this horizontal level angle is from below the horizontal level, yes or no? The case when we lower our head to look at the point being viewed. Clear? All of you understood this concept of angle of elevation and angle of depression. If you understand these two concepts only from this, for this chapter, now I'm going to solve exercise 9.1. Question number 1. A circus artist is climbing a 20-meter long rope. A circus artist climbing a 20-meter long rope which is tightly stretched and tied from the top of a vertical pole to the ground. Find the height of the pole if the angle made by the rope with the ground level is 30 degree. So from this information, means from this given information, you need to draw a diagram first. Here you need a vertical pole. Suppose here I have drawn AB is the vertical pole and AC is this is the climbing rope. Okay, AC is the climbing rope, means AC is equal to length of the rope. Then what is the length of the rope? 20 meter. Yes or no? So if it is length of 20 meter, and what they find the height of the pole if the angle made by the rope with the ground level. This is the ground level, and this ground level this time become what? Horizontal level. This ground level is become what? Horizontal level. So angle is how much? This angle will be 30 degree. Then this is the pole. If pole, then it is perpendicular, means it is 90 degree with the horizontal level, means ground level. Now need to find out the length of AB or height of AB. So let AC is equal to length of the rope, AB is equal to height of the pole. In triangle ABC, see, now I am taking triangle ABC and need to find out AB. To find out AB, we need to use trigonometry. Because BC is not given. If BC you can get, then if BC and AC is given here, then you can find out using Pythagoras theorem. But only one side they have given, AC is given, means hypotenuse. Need to find out AB. So now use trigonometry. See, this side is given and this is hypotenuse, and which side do you need? AB you need. If you compare these two, if angle is here, for any trigonometry ratio, if this is the angle, then this will be the base. Yes or no? And opposite of this, AB is with the what? Perpendicular. Then if you compare these two, then P and H, means P by H or H by P. Anyone you can use. If P by H, then what is the ratio? Sin theta is equal to P by H. Sin of any angle of what? P by H. Or cosec is what? H by P. Anyone you can use. Either you can use sin or cosec. So I am going to use sin. Okay. So sin 30 is equal to P by H, means AB by AC. I have all of you understood this one how to use. Okay. Sin 30 is what? 1 by 2. The value of sin 30. Then AB is value of AC is 20. If you cross multiply twice, AB is equal to 20. So AB is equal to 10 meter. So we got AB. Means height of the pole is 10 meter. Okay. It's very, very easy. Next. Question number 3. A contractor plans to install 2 slides for the children to play in a park. For the children below the age of 5 years, she prefers to have a slide whose top is at height of 1.5 meter and is inclined at an angle of 30 degree to the ground. Whereas for elder children, she wants to have a step slide at a height of 3 meter and inclined at an angle of 60 degree to the ground. What should be the length of the slide in each case? See, here a contractor wants to install 2 slides. Okay, one slide for the children below the age of 5 years and another slide for what? For elder children. Okay, now from this information you need to draw the figure. You can draw different triangle. You can draw this figure like this also. If you are doing like this, sorry, suppose this is 1.5 meter. This is the height of the slide and this will be the length of the slide, and this is ground level. Like on another one is what? 3 meter, and this is the length of the slide and this is the height of the slide, like this. But I have drawn both the triangle in one figure. See how this BC, height of the slide for the children below the age of 5 years, this means 1.5, and this AC will be the length of the slide. And according to the question, it is given that in inclined angle of 30 degree to the ground. So this angle is 30 degree. And if you extend this line again, means as 3 meter. I want to say that this is 1.5, again 1.5 extend, then it will be 3 meter or not. So this is the height of the slide for the elder children. That means this D will be the length of the slide, and B is the ground level, and this angle is 60 degree they have given. Now need to find out AC and DE. There is a written, let AC and ED are the length of the slide respectively. Also BC and BD are the height of the slides respectively. In triangle ACB, this one we have, okay, that is I have given this one third bracket 1.5 meter and this is third bracket 3 meter. So in triangle ACB, this one we have, the angle is here, means this is the base, and we need AC, means we need to compare AC and BC. Then P by H or H by P. So you can use sine or cosine. So sine 30 is what? P by H. So BC by AC. Half. The value of BC is 1.5 by AC. So AC is equal to 2 into 1.5, 3 meter. We got the length of the slide for the children below the age of 5 years is 3 meter. Also in triangle BD, in BD also this is the base, this angle is here, BD is the base and D is the hypotenuse. So P by H, sine 60, BD by D, sine 60, the value of sine 60 is root 3 by 2, BD is how much? 3, then D, root 3 D, 3 to the 6, then D is equal to 6 by root 3. Now if you rationalized it, this rationalize means multiply by root 3 on numerator and denominator. Then 6 root 3, root 3 root 3, 3, 3 to the 6 means 2 root 3 meter. And the length of the slide for the elder children is 2 root 3 meter. See, maybe for question number 1 and question number 2, both the sum I have done by using sine 30. Don't forget that always you will not get answer with sine. Okay, it is when you compare this one, sometimes you need these two side need to compare, sometimes these two side need to compare. In this both questions need to compare perpendicular hypotenuse, that is why I use sine 30. Sometimes you have to use cos 10, means any of the trigonometric ratios. Clear? In case any doubt, confusion regarding angle of elevation, angle of depression and these two sums what I have done, please ask me. Okay, so please try to solve this homework, question number 2, 4 and 5. Okay, question number 4 and 5. Thank you.